Hello, this is Frank with Simply Brands, and today we are showcasing our Simply 45 patch panels. Now, the Simply 45 structured wiring patch panels provide flexible, robust solutions for managing and organizing Ethernet terminations in both residential and commercial network environments. These panels come in a variety of configurations, of which we'll cover in the next few slides. Overall, the Simply 45 patch panels help centralize cable terminations, simplify maintenance, and improve the organization and scalability of network infrastructure. As mentioned, come in a variety of configurations, such as unloaded keystone versions, loaded options, and shielded options, made with heavy-duty steel constructions, color-coded with both T568A and B wiring labels, and have integrated cable management. Now let's first start off talking about the unloaded patch panels, which again include cable management bracket and cable ties. Number ports with wiring labels for easy identification. Again, are very durable with scratch resistant powder coat finish. Come in both 24 and 48 port options with rack screws. And the Pro Series features removable faceplates for easy access and maintenance. In terms of certifications and standard, features ANSI TIA 568.2D and is RoHS compliant. Now, to finish up these unloaded patch panels, we have keystones for the unloaded panels with multiple varieties, including feed-through, punch-down, and toolless options. They also feature the Simply 45 exclusive snap-on color ID bars to make any keystone any color that you want, with a shielded option available. Also, Cat 5e, Cat 6, Cat 6a, and 10 gig versions available. Now, the loaded patch panels are very similar to the unloaded, except that the loaded patch panels have 110 terminals on the backside with color coded for both T568A and B wiring labels. Number ports with wiring labels, again, for easy identification. Again, durable with that scratch resistant powder coat finish, and are very similar in terms of the options with 24 and 48 port with rack screws. Cat 5e and Cat 6 versions available, and again have the same certification and standards as the unloaded patch panels. Now let's talk about the shielded patch panels with the same features as unshielded, with the ability for utilizing shielded cabling. This is ideal for any 10 gig shielded cabling application. Backwards compatible for shielded Cat 6 and feature a rear IDC punch-down modules designed to minimize alien crosstalk and come with loaded and unloaded versions. We also have some wall mountable versions with loaded and unloaded options, both Cat 5e and Cat 6 loaded versions. Unloaded features a swiveling port to reduce stress on cabling, can actually swivel up and down, and is the perfect solution for smaller networking applications. Now, to learn more about these patch panels, as well as the other additional categories within the Simply 45 line, including modular plugs, tools, kits, structured wiring, and cable management, please visit us at simplybrands.com.